Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a hide GUI's GUI. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to want to insert the GUI that we're going to be hiding. So I'm just going to make an example, just do that. And then in that frame, we're going to want to add a text label. Like, this is just the example, but make sure all your GUIs are inside a frame or else this will not work. Alright, and then we'll just make this XP equals 0. Right, just a little example. Now this is going to be our hide GUI. So we're going to get a text button and we're going to write hide all GUIs. Perfect. And we're just going to put that in the corner, maybe make it smaller. Maybe like that big, put it down there. Properties, and we're just going to want to make that a different color than your XP thing. Or whatever. So I'm just going to make the text color green, I guess, and then the background color we'll do blue. That looks cool. So we're gonna do hide GUIs, and then we're gonna add a local script and write script.parent dot mouse button one click connect function bracket right here, go down a line, and we're gonna type script.parent.frame.visible equals false. Then we're going to go down one and type end if that's not already there. Perfect. So now this is our example, right? And we have this, and I'll just prove to you that it works. Okay? And then it hides. But now you can't get it back. Oh no. So now we're going to be showing you how to make a show GUI. So first, we're going to add another text button. And this is going to be our show all GUI. So we're going to make it show all GUIs. Customize it a little. Then you're going to want to make it non-visible. Just like this. Then you're going to want to duplicate that local script in the other text button. Now rename the show all GUI to show. Perfect. Now in the second duplicated local script, we're going to change a couple things. We're going to write this script. We're going to change false to true. Now drag that local script into the show text button. Now duplicate the script one more time and write this script. Change frame to show and visible and equals true, false to true. Now let's test it out. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect. Bye.